Hello everyone, I'm Aaron, the engineer support from SPIKECAM. Today I'm going to show you how to use our Z10 body-worn camera. So first, let's take a look what is in the box. So we have the manual, TF reader. This is the Type-C charging cable. This is the Type-C OTG cable, and our Z10 body-worn camera. First, let's take a quick look of the camera. On the front, we have 3 LEDs to make sure the working status is clear. So the first one is the power LED, the second one is the video LED, the third one is the audio LED, and on the back, this is the flat back clip, and this is the eye navigation lights, and this is the rotational camera lens. And on the left side, this is the power slider, and this is the navigation slider, and on the right side this is the video slider, and this is the audio slider. This is the TF card slot, so you can take out the TF card here, and at the bottom this is the Type-C port for charging and data transfer. How to power on the camera? First, find out the power slider. There are some tests on the back of the camera. So, and push the power slider to the top, and you see the power LED turn on red. Then the camera enter into the standby mode. Again, let's push the power slider to the top for 3 seconds. You see the power LED turns off, which means the camera now is off. How to start video recording? First, let's turn on the camera first. Okay, now it is in standby mode. And let's find out the video slider. Get a test on that. So push the video slider to the top. Okay, you can see the video LED is blinking in blue, and now the camera is in video recording mode. If you want to stop it, we just push the slider back to the off stage, and the camera go back to standby mode. How to turn on the audio recording? It is similar to the video recording function. You just find out the audio slider and push it to the top, and you will see the audio LED is blinking in orange, then which means the camera is now recording audio. If you want to stop it, push the slider back to the off state, and camera will back to the standby mode. How to turn on the navigation? And you will see the navigation light slider is here. You push it to the top, and the navigation will be turned on. Since the navigation lights are invisible, so you are not able to notify any changes. Usually we turn on the video recording together with the navigation recording only at night, because the navigation will reduce the battery life a lot. How to turn off all LEDs? Now we see the video is in recording mode, and the video LED is blinking in blue. And let's find out the power slider and push it down to the indicator of position, and then the video recording LED stop blinks, and if we push it back to the middle position, and the LED appears again. How to change the TF card? The camera supports up to 512 GB TF card. You can use your fingernail to take out the TF card and then replace. This is direction to insert the TF card. Please don't make it wrong. How to charge the camera? You may need additional 5V USB charger to charge the camera with our Type-C cable, and the power LED will light up. How to reset the camera? If the camera is not responding at all, use a pin or needle to push the reset button a few times and then try to reboot the camera again. How to use Android mobile phone to playback videos. First, connect the OTG cable to our camera and then connect the other side to the Android mobile phone. You will see the camera power LED turn on, and then you will find the Z10 USB drive on the Android mobile phone, and we can see the file list from the camera. Okay, now let us go to the video folder, and then maybe I want to try to play back. And you see the camera is charging now. Okay. Connect the camera to computer with the Type-C USB cable, and camera will turn into a USB drive on the computer, and you are able to copy the video and audio files from this USB flash drive. There is a time document here. You can open it and update the time setting here, and also there are other settings here. You can take more reference of the menu to make some configurations.